My name's Judy Anderson-Firth. I'm the Group CEO at Euphemia. Euphemia is the family office for Aussie fintech entrepreneur and investor Dom Pin, who's most well known for being the co-founder of Up, which is Australia's most loved digital bank. And at Euphemia, we make awesome. So we invest in startups in the Australian ecosystem. We invest in fintech, climate tech, women-led startups, and startup infrastructure. I studied a Bachelor of Business Entrepreneurship and I graduated, I think, in 2011. A typical day for me will be a 6 a.m. wake-up call, going to the gym and smashing a session there before I do anything else so I can just get my head straight for the day. Then it's home to get ready for work. I walk my beautiful dog, Agatha. She's a lovely rescue greyhound. We go around the block. Then it's at home. I have breakfast with my wife. We call it the first quarter of the day. Then it's on the train into the city, and the first thing I'll do is sit down and write what I call a retro, which is the most important things to work on for that day. It's the most important priorities that have to be progressed, not a full to-do list. And then it's normally either straight into meetings, either Zoom or in person, or it is into some desk work that I've just got to get done. In these meetings, normally either focusing on the founders in our portfolio, so the people we've invested in, the companies, solving a problem with them, giving them some feedback on something, or I'm meeting with a new founder who's pitching for investment, so learning about their company, understanding their vision for the world and whether or not they're a good fit for Euphemia. And then somewhere in there's lunch, normally like 15-20 minutes. I'll grab a bite, I'll try and step away from technology and have a screen break. I do try to have my less intensive sessions in the afternoon, so I've saved most of my brain power for important decisions in the morning. And so in the afternoon, it's often desk work. Like I'll just be doing some of the operations kind of things. Like I'll be reviewing our cash flow forecast, or I will be putting a presentation together for a keynote that Dom and myself is delivering at an industry event, or I will be reading. I'll be consuming something that's going to be important for us to be aware of. And then after 5, it's into startup event land. There is an event in the startup ecosystem in Australia every night of the week, and at Euphemia, I'm often there representing our organisation either as a speaker, a judge, a panellist, or an audience member. And the job there is really to educate, inspire, or just provide some insight into the role of an investor and how we make decisions when we're investing in startups. On just networking, like being accessible. As a family office, we don't want to be shrouded in mystery. We want to be accessible. We want people to be able to find us, talk to us, and tell us about their business. And then it's off home, hopefully in time for dinner, and then ending up on the couch with some chocolate and a cup of tea and my dog.